Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see how to change date of birth on your Facebook. To do this, first of all, open your Facebook application and hit on the menu button which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then select Setting and Privacy and go through Settings. Then scroll down and you will see Profile Information. Go through it. Scroll down, there you will have birthday on the section of basic info. Click on the edit. From here you can edit your birthday. Once you have changed it, do not forget to click on the confirmation option. Now click on save. Your new birth date will be saved on your Facebook. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.